Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you. And today we're going to be taking a look at our Divi Mobile plugin and how it interacts with WooCommerce. So what we'll be doing today is adding a My Account icon like this one on the screen right here that takes you straight to the user account, straight from your Divi Mobile menu. So without further ado, let me show you how we do that. All right, guys, so I am here on the front end of my Divi site. I have WooCommerce installed, I've got Divi Mobile installed, and I'm ready to get going. So I'm just going to go into the theme customizer to the Divi Mobile settings, and then I'll just click on Divi Mobile right here. You can see that I do not currently have the icon in there. All we got to do is go to custom header, and now you do need to be using the custom header to get this working. So keep that in mind. So go to custom header. I'm going to scroll down, go down a little bit more, and right here we'll find the account icon settings. All you got to do is drop in a location. You can put it on the left. You can see it fits in there. Put it on the right, and that's not the best position, as you can see, so we're going to keep it on the left here. And you can, of course, also you can control the position of it, so you can kind of put it where you want. This is maybe too close to that car icon, so I might change that. You can also change the color to whatever you like or whatever works for you. And yeah, that cart icon might be too close for somebody that's working on their phone. So I'll just come here to the cart settings, and then I'll just increase the space from the edge, and then we're going to be good to go. You can see that it's working right now. Let's exit the customizer. And then what I'm going to do is just open up, inspect the page so that I can put this into the mobile view. And there we go. There you can see your My Account link right there, your cart link right there, both working as they should, as you expect they should. And that's it. Now, guys, if you don't have Divi Mobile yet, what are you doing? Get out there, pick it up. It's going to allow you to build amazing mobile menus for your Divi websites. It is super cheap. It is well worth it. Now, if you already do have Divi Mobile, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss out any other tips on how to make the best out of your Divi Engine membership. We know it's an investment, and we appreciate all of you. So with that, guys, please comment on what you'd like to see next. But with that, it's going to be all from me today. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate you. This has been Roby with the Divi Engine team. Bye for now.